Hey, how's it going? Brad Riley here and welcome to another video. And in this one today, I'm gonna be showing you in a few easy steps exactly how you can create fantastic ad creatives, social media videos that you can use if you're a media buyer, if you're a social media manager, or run any kind of marketing business. Now, everything I'm gonna be showing you today is inside of a tool and a platform called InVideo. And I actually just wanna say a massive thank you to InVideo because they've actually sponsored this video today. Now, this is actually the first ever sponsored video I've done on this channel, and there is a good reason for it. I've turned down dozens of sponsorships, right? I've turned down dozens and dozens of sponsorships. And the reason being is I don't believe in the product. With InVideo, this is a fantastic product. And I truly believe everybody watching this today needs to go ahead and sign up. When it comes to creating professional looking video content, there is not a platform out there that does it better and easier than InVideo. Now with InVideo, the best thing about it is that you can create gold standard videos in minutes, even if you don't know how to edit videos, for as low as $10 a month. You get access to over 4,000 completely customizable templates and a stock video library of more than 10 million assets from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock. The reason I'm so behind this product is because it is a powerful yet intuitive editor and a timeline which allows for template switching so you don't even have to restart your projects from scratch. You get a 24/7 live chat support and a video community of more than 20,000 marketing experts and video creators which can help you. Again, this is really, really important. You know, I always speak about the importance of community. So if you want to join that as well, the link to that is in the description. And also finally, if you want to, you can add unlimited members to a single account inside of InVideo, which makes it really, really helpful if you're running any kind of agency and if you have team members. Okay, so I'm now inside of the InVideo platform. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this in a few simple steps. So as mentioned already, you know, there's over 4,000 plus pre-made templates you can use here. And look, as someone who's not very creative, it makes it really, really easy using these templates to come in and get some really nice looking creative in just a few minutes, even though I have no video experience whatsoever. So just to scroll down here, look, there is literally so many templates here for anything, whether you work with local businesses like restaurants, spas, real estate agents, whether you work with hotels, e-commerce businesses, info product businesses, coaches, influencers, authors, it doesn't matter. There's different styles, different templates, and there's a bunch of fantastic things here, right? Now, I'm just gonna scroll down and I'm gonna use this one here as our first example. What I really like about this, first of all, is you can have, again, at a click of a button, you can have this in wide, you can have this square, or you can go ahead and have this vertical. Now, obviously your vertical is gonna be used more for your Instagram story, your Snapchat, your TikTok type stuff. And then this square, you know, this is gonna be used more for your feed posting. And again, same with wide, right? Now in this scenario here, I'm gonna go ahead and just use vertical. So if I click use this template, it's gonna take us through here to the InVideo editor, which is super simple to use. Now, a bunch of stuff you can do here, really simply. If you want to, first of all, you can film a voiceover. Don't think this is gonna be super important if you're doing this on behalf of your clients, but it is an option. Over here on the left-hand side, you can simply access all your templates. If you click templates, which is the page we're on now, you can go ahead and upload, which will allow you to upload both videos and images. Now, if you select the music tab here, you can see here, if I go ahead and click play, that this plays with music. So you can go ahead and change that music. You can delete the music. They've got all different genres and styles. You can change the text as well, and you can add text, which I'll show you some examples of here in just a second as well. And you can easily add and upload and change different logos. And then if you want to, you can create folders as well. Now in this scenario, for the most part, I'm just gonna keep this real simple. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do here is I've pre-uploaded some images just as an example. If I go to my upload section right now, you can see here. So what I'm gonna do is just play around with the text. First of all, we are gonna get rid of this guitar and we're gonna replace it. So in this scenario right now, we are going to pretend that this is a watch brand, okay? So all I need to do, very simply, if I drag and drop this on here, I can hit replace, and simply enough, in a few seconds, this will be replaced with that watch. Boom, look how great that looks like. Very simple. I can also come up here, so it's right now it says a 4th of July sale. I wanna change this. I'm actually gonna say that this is for Black Friday. It automatically resizes. Black Friday sale up to 30% off, buy now. And we'll change the website down here. So this says example.com, go watches.com, buy now. Okay, and you can change this to get now if you wanted to. You do have the option if you want to. This is an option to upload a logo. So if your client had a logo for their e-commerce brand, you could easily upload this here. In this scenario now though, I don't want that there, so I'm gonna get rid of it. and boom, within literally 60 seconds, I've created an ad that I can download and use. Easy as that, right? What I'm gonna show you as well real quick, let's say in this scenario though, this music's a bit upbeat. Let's say we want something a bit more relaxed, okay? What we can do over here is go to music. I'm gonna go ahead, you can see there's all different stuff here. In this scenario though, I'm gonna go to chill out. We want some relaxing music. You can easily play this all here, listen to it. Let's pretend I like this one here. Very simply, click replace music. And again, in a few simple seconds, hit yes. This is going to replace. So if I hit play from the start, boom. Simple as that, right? You can change the music. There's literally dozens and dozens and dozens of different music here of all different genres that you can use and change very, very simply. All right. Now at the back here as well, you've got what's called your canvas color, and over the front here as well, you've got your fill. So, you know, this is red at the minute. Let's say this is a bit off brand. Okay. These guys are a bit more premium. They don't like too much color. You can go ahead and, if you want to, and change this to black, and boom, there you have it. All of a sudden, that is now black with the white background. And again, you can go to your different sections, like up here as well. You can change that. Let's say we wanted to make that white again, and boom, there you have it. Very, very simple. We've just completely rebranded this, changed the colors, changed the image in just a couple of minutes. All right, I'm gonna do another example right now. Let's say this one here, okay? Let's use this template here. Very simply, if you wanna swap between it as I've just done, you click on the templates, you click use, and it will take us exactly to the same layout as before. Now again, I've uploaded some things earlier here. So as an example, what I'm gonna do real quickly is go to my uploads, and I'm gonna replace this image. In this scenario, let's say this is for a laptop. You drag and drop, you hit the replace button, boom. I'm gonna go to the price. Let's say this is 1499, and let me rename this, and let's say it was the Microsoft SRC 12, right? You can write a little bit of information down here. You could just put, you know, with 16 gigabytes of RAM and over 500 gigabytes of storage, this laptop is perfect for students, right? I mean, whatever, right? You could be targeting students in this ad as an example. You could come up here. Again, if you wanted to, you could upload that your customer's or client's logo. In this scenario, we won't know. We could go to the music section, and let's say maybe this is a bit more of a student vibe, maybe hip hop's, you know, a bit more appropriate. We'll go ahead, hit this, replace the music, hit yes, and very simply now if I hit play, boom, there you have it. Simple as that. Download that, use that in your ads. I'm just going to do one final example here. We'll go back to templates and let's have a little look about what else we've got going on here. Okay, just a final example here. I've gone ahead and got ourselves a different template. In this scenario as well, you know the drill already. I'm going to go to my uploaded. I already had one that I found earlier. We'll replace these shoes with these ones. Hit that replace button, and in a few seconds here, this will load up. You've got your new images. You could put, you know, Adidas. I don't even know what a name of a shoe would be. Adidas 1200s, whatever. You know, change the price, 75% off. And, you know, you could even say, you know, code 75 off, for example. Or you could use code 75. Go ahead and move that up slightly. 75% off, code 75. And there you have it. You know how to change the music already, and as simple as that. And then if you want to go ahead and use it, all you need to do up here is go to the download section, export it in the file that you want. And if you go to here right now, it's just going to take a few minutes to render out. And once you're finished over here, you can download that and you'll all be finished. You can use that in your ads in a few simple seconds. Now, what I do really recommend, if you're a social media manager, if you're an agency owner of any kind, a marketing agency owner, or if you're just using this for your own good, I really recommend you join the InVideo community. A link to that will be in my description down below, or you can see the code to the website that you can join on screen right now. This is where you can share the videos that you create. You can get the community's feedback on there. There's over 20,000 people in there at the time of filming this right now. So it's an invaluable resource for you if you plan on joining and using InVideo, which I highly recommend you do. And if you are interested in joining InVideo, you can use the link in the description. And if you're interested in getting 25% off any subscription, you can use the code BR25 as seen on screen to get that discount. Not only will it really support myself and the channel, but it also really supports you in your journey as an agency. Look, you should be spending your time on about growing your business. You don't want to be spending hours and hours and hours putting these creatives together yourself in terms of like designing them all. In a few simple clicks, you or your team can easily put this together, whether you're a freelance social media manager, whether you're a freelance marketer or media buyer, whether you have a team to do this. I really recommend you get yourself signed up. You can use code BR25 at checkout to get yourself a 25% discount. Okay, so there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. I want to say a huge thank you as well to InVideo for sponsoring the channel. And if you're interested in watching another video just like this, before you go ahead and check out and get yourself on InVideo, I highly recommend you check this video out here. I think it'll be a bunch of value to you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.